Hi there, welcome back. So if you got a 2013 Hyundai Sonata or other type of Sonata which have this electric power steering, so this is the rubber that go between these gears to prevent the steering from making a lot of clanging noise. When you turn the steering left or right, you get that clanging noise. So this is the part number for it. I get that AutoZone 296990. Also on Amazon, you can check Amazon to get this part. You cannot get it in your local store. That's the motor right there, guys. So I'm just showing you guys this rubber that making that noise. So if I find this very useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.